Hi all, this is Sridhar speaking. Today I'm going to give you a secret technique on how you can use the model which is very equivalent to the Claude Opus 4.6 equivalent, right? This model is something like where you can use it free for certain period of time until OpenCode make it as free. Currently, it is available in OpenCode, and you can just configure one of the API key and then connect via VS Code or Claude, and then in Open Code also, where you can run a number of times. And this is free. You don't need to run the model in your laptop or in the cloud, and you don't need to pay any subscription or any of the details for this particular model running, right? So, if you want to know more, let us dive in into the session. Before we go and dive into the actions on connecting the model and all those things, let us have a little bit review over MiniMax M2.5 and Cloud Core 4.6. So this is the one model which I'm going to get it as a free. It is already free in the open code. You can get the connectivity over there. But let us see which parameters it is good, right? So you can see over here the context window is 205k tokens, but however AI is like 1000k tokens. And if you come over in the coding index, right? If you go in the coding index, it's 48 and 37, which is nearly equal. And if you go to the agentic index, it is like 68 to 56. Now, if you come over here, you can see the proprietary words, which is like 53 for 4.6 max, 4.6 which is max, and then for minimax it is like 42, hardly like 10 point difference. And if you go over further, GDP val, it's like 34% and 56, and here it is like terminal bench hard, it is like 46% and 36% for minimax. So you can get the complete information of this model, which it runs completely free. And then you can use it this particular model by configuring in the cloud code or in the open code, right? So now this is the first part where you have to know, like, this model is completely free and you can use it for certain period of time until open code gives it for free. And we will go for this particular site, opencode.ai/zen. So in the zen only you will be able to get the minmax 2.5 for free. So to go over there, and then you can check it out in docs section. So in the docs section, if you go over here and if you go and select the Zen, right, and if you just scroll down over back down over here, so you will be able to see like Minimax 2.5 is completely free over here, right? So now go over in this location and then say login. So once you log in, you will be able to get the API usage and all those things. You can just create one of the API key test model I've just created some time back. I will be using the same API key, and now you can go and open code. Right, so you can download and install open code. So I've already installed open code. It's very easy in the Mac, and now you'll be able to see like the UI of the open code. So this is how the open code UI looks. And you can see over here, this model is completely free. Minimax 2.5 is completely free. And I've selected this model. Which language the agencies is developed. Okay, so it is going to say like okay, node.js, module common js, and testing jest, right? So this is agencies is developed in javascript, node.js, and it gives all those information very fast, right? This is how you use the free API key within open code. That want to run the open code console as an installation, then you have to go over, I'm just did a Google search, you will be able to get the curl command. So this is the curl command. You can go and copy over here and then come to the terminal and then just paste the command so that it will go and install uh, the open code. So once the open code is installed, I think it is already installed, it is showing. Now what you can say is like you can clear it out. Now we can just open code, you can just click on open code. So now you will be able to see the open code console. This is the open code console where you will be able to see all the information if you want to change the model and all those things. So you can switch the models also. You can click over here. You can see all this are all free model. Now here, if you see M2.5 free open code is there, you can just say hi. Now it will just say like it will be like running and all those details. So which model is this is running? So you can see like this is the current model which is running. So it will just take a time and then show it out whether which model it is running out, right? So you can see that model which is running out. So now this is in the console, it is coming it out as of now. Now let us go over to the VS Code. So have the VS Code installed. Now we will go over in the what do you say, the extension, and just type open code. Right, so you can also install OpenCode over here. You just go to the SST as a author, where you have huge number of installation. Just go and click on install. So it will get installed automatically. So once it is get installed, you will be able to see this icon over here. Right now, just go over to any folder. I'll just select one of the folder to select one of the project which is where I'm working. So you can see this is the project which is already there, and let me go and select some docs, right? Some doc or empty file. I will select it out. Now if I click on this particular part, so it will now go over here and check. So now I will say like explain the code, right? So I've given the explain the code, and this is in the MiniMax M2.5 here. So it will be like asking like I'd be happy to explain the code. Could you please specify which file or directory? Okay, maybe I will say like explain the project. Okay. So once this is given, it will start looking it out. It says like read package. It does everything. It just reads out the complete hierarchy of the agencies, and after that it will be saying like, okay, so the agencies is a modular runtime and orchestration system for AI. You have 49 agents, 41 skills, and 19 plugins. Okay, all these were there. So there are this is actually like plugin development for many of the agents, and to reduce the token usage, right? You can see 77% of fewer tokens will be used with respect to the multi-agent. That is what this project does. And if a new person wanted to know what this project wants to be done, right, like you can just brief it out. Now I will say build the project. So build the project, right? So this actually will build the complete project, and then shares me and runs all the testing also, right? So you have almost many number of tests which is there. So it will build the project. If something is not there, it will download the packages, installs everything, and then it will run. All right, so this is how it goes. Okay, so you can see over here, so agent analyzer is not there, so it is downloading that agent analyzer, and then it will go and execute the test, right? So you can see the tests are getting executed, and it will give the final results also. So all this, it can be done in free. So you can see like I'm not using any cloud API or any of the details. So absolutely it is free over here. And it also gives the agent orchestration system, right? And 84 test suites covering all core functionality, right? All these things were done. So by this you will be able to analyze like with the free you can do many of the things, right? And this is for, I don't know how much time it would be free, but until if it is free, you can go ahead and use that particular model, MiniMax M2.5, right, which is nearly equivalent to the cloud Opus 4.6. I hope you will be able to get use this free model in such a way that you can develop something new until it is free, right? So thanks if you learned something new. Follow me and subscribe me.